Adjun FM, all the hits and more.
Sorrow How near Bobo at Tinia Tipui? Kodana Bebenina Papa Niwati. A ready make a chawan is a baye. And Utiman Paba. A chene, sign chakra. A bebem, na a baye. Ujidia Kase, amen. Bringing time to exactly 35 after 3 on our Dome 106.3 FM Manchester. It's about that time. Say Borum straightforward. Now the videos of our time, bro. I will feel consumed so our Dome 106.3 FM for today, Wednesday, the 28th of April 2021. Your friend Jerry Justice. I'm going to say we are minimum saying I will feel consumed so our Dome FM so. And you choose watching Chuana to Hadia, you are the right place. Modia, Solomon Akoswada Haya. As that can send command team, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, Jaco, all in session. Yeguma Kopim Sebebo and you may know here. Quickly, by kind courtesy, the new Techno Spark 7 series. Amadama, your boy near the videos of our time, Abriel. It's a patrol joining on Facebook. Now, young Shimbo, sharp. You know what I'm saying? And I yes, I'm a cry, bonnet toe. And Nelson at the tea, I see you. From my dirty shoes were down, someone Kit Kat. Or Talmud and Dandy on Facebook. Elizabeth Amana, I see you. Good afternoon to you. Obiba Kizzy, I see you as well. And also a shade Medino Laboni coffee shop. Now, so I say Mr. and Mrs. J. Also, two the moment. I feel Naomi Ofori to be I see you. Yes. I feel Lizana, I see you too. I see you. Nana Ababuate, I see you as well. Jonas Sari, Pastor Mario, Sanso and our Black Hobby Music. I see you. Na Edini Yalvi M Asuga. Okay, I see you. Prisla Boachi, I see you. Hayford Kofi Annan Quay, I see you on Facebook. Patrol Johnny Cecilia on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, on Facebook we are live. Now you trust we have videos of our time. I should just see here. Now on Facebook, I see you. I feel Peter, I know Joe. No, I knew Joe. I see you. If you are actually Adom Dadzi. Thank you very much. I say hi, handsome Jerry. You too. Pretty if you I see you. All right, now for Faro GH. And also Mahu Samsona Victoria Broker also live in session. Asaman Kasi Beyonce. I see all of you on Facebook. If I show you on my Remu was here, I Dom 106.3 FM. Now, young videos for a time, mention so patch no video now, may ya chono, a very terrible pa. And Mabuna near my moya and Sani de do. A teacher, I know what they no do. Moon slow down, Kakra. You people should slow down small. A Diana Moji. Say we are bad time now, background so party. Their party also Madame be celebrating the birthday. Oh, and he has invited me. Charlie, you're very careful. You're very steady because I'm a friendly be on more, very innocent. So naive. So they go to places like that, and then their peers will introduce them to and maybe substances being when someone number. And right here, you organize a party pa na masa and my boys like a kabum wrong. Oh goodness. If I show your boyroom or Facebook no na ya the atrocities here. It was bad time you would me we boyroom or now so share Obama catch and so on Facebook or do me from war. Now one can say video na head the mabrune no. Never gina so never two ban of what na a dangerous. Oh very dangerous. The moment you recommend the floral disposable handkerchief, and we are better than cloth handkerchief. It's I say no the paper now. I say they are shubutum paper now. They are shubutum gems now. I didn't want, but floral disposable handkerchief there. We back with the year the other day. We are no what to actually. To tell me hygienically, ujina now so. What you say? You know, crocro come and say fit into your pocket, your purse, or your bag easily. Nebo swing yedin. Open the door power Fred Delta Pipa Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Dominion about powder. Numbi. Now swimming system na ho dem apamdem. Boy normalize your blood pressure no ma. Afi say akoma anase okidi ne ho abansem. Ebeka atudin e de ama kama. Wa ye adwuma keto bia na wate obrekese pa. Da bia na video mu ya. Dominion about powder. Stroke diabetes dem fa na fichire kura. If I talk more here, Montes, Monco Durauche Chemicals, Mafia Sumdre House will breed Durauche Chemicals, 1 man point. Benyabiato, Kofrudia Fonco Gaps in Pharmacy, na Fia, Hinena Heba. More Kedik Monco Hyper Pharmacy, Aquatia Fonco Health is well. Aguna Swedri Fonco Yametias Heba. So many Fonco Nagiza, and a phase in Ada Pharmacy. The drop pan for Nichimu on Coco. What's the share Angel Dominion Bar Center? And yes, our phrase 0543 158 195 and now 020 429 6449. Dominion Bar Powder, your number 1 immune booster. I feel fire, the Eduano Emma. The Basima seal. If I show a special sealer, AGI, any Ghana Standards Authority, I can't boom the aba. And they was from Ghana, mine. Nina say, and they cook room cut food products. Be now who the actual air or Basima seal. Yeah, they are from Huna. More than 5 them toss our food products. No, it's our food products. No, 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, good for your body. If you have the models and you be any teacher, you can food the amount. I be able to market. No, look out for food products. The Obasima seal. The top fabric here. Choose Obasima. Stay healthy. Stay strong. I feel your room now. Young call Facebook no so. Now young share and videos of our time. If I talk, unya be what done for be catcher and say on also a room. Oh, now on share video be. Now on phone tune hopeful. A hard dream. They say a mabuna banner speedy up too much. Must speedy up too much. A hard dream. And there might be one more penny for yet. But a mabuni. Somewhere, moya, ni. Munyabotre. A diana mujinu wiase. Like I was saying earlier, share. Say oba crow. Say mama. Hey, madam from in the school now. On your party on Fiona. Especially girls no. Because a member put a de anu. Na obekwa konum bibi. Na fe unhu de onye. We are all not the same. There are some Mr. Be our boys betimi aye. Kwasi benum obeye okay. But kwabna benum anhwe yi ade ebeye no. Enti yesese obi anhunu no obi adi ne lemu. But anhwe yi a and for some nafu betimi adada wa emri bi show video bi say de na ye kan ya. Ana boys bi am akono no ne mama ebinom de baby adom kopie na enye ene de yi kirewi ene enyan na the last time we yi video bi a na eno so related to the ene eba be yi no me share me am personal experience bi with you na ne ma me sen susu biem. The reason why I'm saying say ade ebeye de ama e bi akwame no enye ema yaw obi anim no hunti obi ani lemu some years back and I yan tuni Castro as say yen huni obatema satama do me fam ne otema Castro a friend my friend now when I'm so me I run also but I did your office no day there Charlie today I want take you guys out then oh yeah one enough for be na now na me kai doctor is it Asanka Dr. Asanka so kan and some of the other guys it me cry man drive Castro ka mu na me tena and na ye call Monte Carlo you could do ye omo transia ne ade a and omo de e bi buy as a fruit juice o say dey yo masa disposable cup count no mo hwehwe jo me so me GB me tasty ade some multifruit is a don simon so hwan manu a eja me manu yam de me tasty ade no etese no bia etikwa kumani age me twini mi Castro bi sam say Jerry na eden na obenom and I'm so we na no if this one all you go drink so yeah because I'm out for Guinness ni bia ni ade kwaku minyade itinene ma mistake to the fruit ye mo de ya yo no sign order ba ko kan na me sign body disposable cup akese bi me sign another one kakra na Castro bi zame Jerry you sure say be okay me so yeah I feel me am to ni me say me dey mu komiye and dem asesa situation said the ade no koranya kama na fe dey na ekoyi the way am hu me hunu say no I am changing na me hu am style bi na ade na no looks like there's something in ade ya manumi hali it quickly baby ana man mo adu ana me jae me sha that time ade no come no say me mo amenom na me dey asio and na me here fast and na me bisa say washroom no way omo kire me hona me ye kakra me koduo na me fa me phone asem a me kan wo oni mbenduka bia bisa no na me frɛ Ben am say Ben o way fortunately from that time I'm to 25 Ben so to 24 so a day house na me say Ben ye fast na ko fa me kan no sisi this is how I am feeling right now. I don't want to disgrace myself. One share na bibia entino to can never see ya obedu opa de frɛ o frɛ me ansa me de me phone e be show go na de asa me wevi me phone no wo hu bibia mete and when you come there catch them say some business be me sorry pa hold me so me move tight because I don't think say my holding kakra me de be nante asa ko transmit me asa de nante aba bibia car ne wo no ne find me kakra ne fa me coffee. And he obeyed and did exactly what I told him. Afraid about you Castro more to drums. No, Jerry will be a better see almost and I'm no Friday night or day to my so Charlie. I can't come. Ben kitikte mu amzo. Ya so mu ye. And this no dim kura kai mu say kredi. Eno tu kai. From 26 to 25 for me coffee. Ye du kwani fifi according to bedu ko na no ka che was ye du kwani fifi me see e won jina no fa car mam na me drive no so Charlie one ka won jina ko say the one ye ka tai na be dan drive say hey it be me where I teach you drive hey stop the car make hey and I was me was that how I behaved I say we are make to cut it short 3 days na me here normal the thing happened on Friday the whole of Saturday I was at home I didn't go anywhere the whole of Sunday I saw it comment me I go me chefie Monday. When I came to work, Obia ni me the way I'm a bedroom mate. I go to every department, me know Obia, but me bedroom no. Me to production, I'm a kuni na me to Saturday na me work and happiness. Me to my say kuni. Obia ba ajay are you alright? Obia ba ajay everything cool. Sana krofo bi se bizamsa. Ade na atemu my style bi. Right? And yes, some crofo ye bibia na don ko hyem ko ebi. Yen very careful. Men to amen wa. Yen hwe video no. Eni didi na fufu achi na wan hwe yi na wo de no. Anko wie sei wan nyi obi anwa wo. na de beto akwakoto boys no organize party child for video no to so patro me patro de we wo de wa bra na be hwe video no wa be hwe video no sisi a boys ne ye party. Now if you see the different kinds of drinks I'm putting it all together in one container and obi there a trick kese bia tumu a on distiller on there or kanu look at that just say your friends say cough mixtures in Africa from any energy drinks ne milk ne just say anyama bebre look at this e dey na mo ji owi ase wo dey hwe video no hwe anyama nko mo mix e dey atra tumu ayi bucket mu eno mo hwehwe saa o hwewe kakra gu oba kokro mix ade okita cigarette wa say cigarette to video ne ono ani me enema we omo yo and after that no your boys na no bi no look at say the amount for react. This is what happens mo kono no saa ne mani wie na untimi control won it was amount for omo ahwibia wie na afi atimi on ye de onipa da sani gina okro untimi nyina na mo so omo aye hwie nsuo gu omso hwie gu omso omo adan statue obi okra ye bon ye hwe kwabrane asomu a won te hwe mpo on person ya open your eyes you know they open them in his mind nani no abie that but physically nani nakata. Look at what is happening. What you share there no and the on Facebook what wa hwe is this good now back class or co party abana your command bibi atise kono mu wie. Now at the end of the day, this is what will happen to Uba. This guy who this guy behavior they be funny. Why is that statue? Obi aye hwe so guru. On tishe said ojina they are konimu no so say they was as look at that. And I was sensing jina ho no. Omo kwan de na tena se kro enye yi ya share the starch. Why buy? Look at this. Look at this. And nyema o dey say video no esi how dey be say beginning no dey hwe nyema nko mo mix here. And nyema bebre am dey frafram hwe dey okwabna na we uti anye yi na fam a say odan bo ahase ani we dey boy da fam a obo no sem hwe. Uti anye yi na oda after the acrobat na you from no we acrobatics from the beginning of the video in the what am share different bottles what am share different kinds of drinks I go how am share different e dia come man for anom the other day obi a party bi me pese me ka wan hwe ombe bia na akwa hu npa e wotema one of the communities na onipa akono oyetema boys bi ankrofo nim ne party party nkrofo buy pa na that day no me ko adan bi bedu ye no na bobeye 6:45 and I'm sure mama fa na me nchia na at least omu ze me be fa keke na me kofi because na my bread chale when I got there oh jj the girls the things that they do for there and I'm saying chale ba what they go on I say no Charlie, it be like boys not looking smart now. De name gugu kube mu girls na no. Hey. Jo, mama yenye steady. Especially me nuanu man me pam cho bebre. Young girls na mo ho friend na mo sisu no. Boys no tricks bebre o. Se unim se partners no. Omo kofa truck na ye de kube gus na etoni bi no. Omo ko to a whole truck ni na kube ru na omo toni na afini ho. And almost sensing I didn't know I didn't a year closer to baby. I say, oh boy, I pen na adna now could be almost your baby one more a year closer be which me the idea woman not at home our brown boy could be no. Tinomo de say panels a day on the anti say almost the near my shim. And the girls nearby no so on picubeni be omum the omines are no more boy no my girls no. It would also they were about me I don't come and have a drink. Oh no, me I don't take alcohol. Oh me I don't take alcohol. Ne amount could be when they say could be the coconut. Your boy ya kpakpa na de tuatianom. Ade no so e de. Obenum could be mienu awie no. Afi na odawabam. Odo so funny baby I know ade. Girls na omo daisy. Oh, and near me koso. And the only way out no say you be too ye maneful. obatan tuba no fu ofie kire trans ye niam bi sei no yibi kire no na fatu no fu no ma nani na ho because an hwe yi a woni and America ya sha say me kind say omo ye so say bi on ma so naive onim me say me experience here na me catch you until that thing is see no na me nim say free bibi mpo shocker. I didn't even know that thing. Say bibi won po cry say it me dey e frafra fruit ade mo ya we ni ade I didn't know. Enti betimi aba so oba no nim ho hwe no akodi na fufu achi akonom bibi ochina bi na ede nesen obi wo cry timi yesa na akofa yare de abeto no so. Enti about time no moma ye nimre na eniema bi se ne afa nyina so mfa ntu ye manefo say na be de na future leaders na say leaders yi kura mo kura ani ye husu ina we no be say no mo so be future leaders for the way ye ntu omofo ye mpa futu sembi mompa manuasi eso asida no ye fama the new Techno Spark 7 series ya be come up phone de kura what me say phone a guy. It was 6.6 inch screen. It is a short video and I say football match be now play game or some do. Imuda a koye kama pa clear. And now the camera and also 16 megapixel AI camera quality. I would take 9 pictures at the daytime now try kama pa. And on the battery is very strong. The memory no go 128 gig. Just over to me store movies near friends or music near the Nyama baby downloads na nina because and I 4 gig memory so running faster. Per month count there and they are available in all phone shops now also on sa etimi account there na just say bibia akoye e the amount and so yeah don't want to some song yasne e ma yitimi the videos of our time Ebrel will feel consumer so Adom 106.3 FM.
New Techno Spark 7 series no. Alone. The big screen, clearer camera, and then a strong battery no na money that's not gone. With the 16 megapixels AI camera quality, ni say you would jump it and you sumo cry. And it the whole say yupo. New Techno Spark 7 screen no so come on. And your 6.6 inches true color screen. It is all the book game, all the show movies, and now the football matches are. Masa, and you feeling. With a 128 gigabyte memory. To me store me downloads, movies, music, any apps, do bia me pebia. Yeah, the 4 gig memory and not more. It's all the browser jack and you fast. Now the battery holding us there and you 5000 mAh. New Techno Spark 7. Kona koje.
Hey, ama. Me say ne, boy be a misiano. Real deal, package ankasa. Tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with 6-pack. Handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, baby. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, that. I was eyeing him the whole time. So near Mitchell, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. Oh, we're ready. And Capelli. Hey, oh, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day ain't your day.
And what's the offer geisha semina subain? Gina hopinti na ko wenim. Mempaba. Kosisa wonsa beka weni da so ade nyina.
Mommy, me gina painting akomenim na machapa to say geisha semina.
Be strong and
Bankratway FD ajiatu.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
Yes. Oh,
I say, you know, when I'm for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Slow. The maze is cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah, I am Chinner Hawaii. Me a funny no more bomu. Baby, sorry, I'm no kuno golik. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is the Aircobe. We am bathroom Marija Wunanum Papa Brown Sanawaba. So I constipation, I am Chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, Baba William so way. And you figure I am Chira. Two homes is sumo to plenary you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Rebogo. Your fan, Macha. One time upon a William Algo fine. Maybe very son. San Jaisu Yabaklik away Jaisu WMP capsule. I'm going to do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Say, dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now Pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Womuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, and walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, and to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Kratui Magia to Musay.
This is High Definition, an explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough.
He's the God of miracles, God of impossible, all that say. He's the Rock of Ages, Ancient of Days. He's the living God. He's the God of miracles, God of impossible, all that say. He's my Rock, Ancient of Days. He's the living God. Oh,
and it's a brand new one from Becky Bonnie. Onyame Ohoda, featuring Uncle Ato. Jerry, today is my birthday. Wow. And then happy birthday, Kasipa and Komao. Elder Emmanuel Boateng. Dallas in the United States of America. Happy birthday to you. Namisha na onyo kese. Yes, was hello, it's been a while and hope you're doing good. Please, my daughter Tracy Thelma Toshi is celebrating the birthday. Please help me thank God for her life. From her mom, Shelly, and all the siblings from all Latebia Kosha. Say nyamin chade de abebom no emo papa ye benya die. Wouldn't say onipa da sani bia no senka utimi enya well balanced diet nanka wadi. What you say? Na ene study bia University of Ghana in collaboration with UNICEF. Omo conducted here in the year 2017 shows say approximately 50% of women and 66% of preschool age children suffer from anemia. Na ni nyina ne say enkrofo we na omo was a category you know. Omo nya well balanced diet enni. What I say and they we are on the go now saying. Enui enema Royal Roma Fortress dinoms Ghana for so pemo Royal Roma use emude udi otumze mu no de pa Ghana food and yen sa na tie dia ye hye na hodi no kama pa ya betimi ama manfo enya so faso a ebeko yi enti sese ye de eye first fortified rice in Ghana aba Royal Aroma fortified rice. Eti de say ya say mawonsa enka the new Royal Aroma fortified rice. It was same great taste and sweet aroma of Royal Aroma na. But say the iron say get the nutrients ashim. Iron, zinc, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, B9 and B12. Yeah, be boa ma mpom de ho sem no akoyie pa. Eti kakra bi na besa gu nsuo mu no anu adi kra na anye hwe na at least ubenya 15% of your daily requirement of some nutrients ya me boss we na akohye mu ho e de ama. Enti se obeto mu akofia ma no enye the new Royal Aroma fortified rice. Simple and titia. Nation so say aye canning club minerals say Abedane Club Spaletta. Yes, your favorite carbonated soft drink, Club Minerals. They say when you're doing with the same refreshing taste and flavors, Club Minerals. They say a Club Spaletta. So make sure you switch your groove with a bottle of Club Spaletta, still in your favorite orange, muscatella, tonic, as well as soda flavors. Club Minerals, now Club Spaletta. Our new look, our new feel, but the same great taste. So go ahead when you want to refresh yourself during those delightful moments and grab a bottle of Club Spaletta in 4 different flavors. Club Spaletta, still your favorite Club Mineral flavors. Say Goyle atumunchine unyo mufu oni bi digu kamu a what de ni nyina ne say Goyle higher grade fuels no. It has been tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years as most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. Now, in addition to these superior qualities, Goyle higher grade fuels, they are 3 wash are fortified with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer proper power. Yeah, no, you're more efficient, eco-friendly, and I feel so crown on the price. No, at the phone book or to try animal day one. Goyle high grade fuels. You want a Goyle Super XP Ron 95, and you want Goyle Diesel XP. You turn every Goyle fuel station BM, not just selected stations. So fill up with Goyle higher grade fuel. Ajibebia Goyle, good energy. Goyle, yeah, dear. Says come wide in our town. We ya be saka crowd ya throw shame kra na ya asem. Then so asedan Kenya me. And they advanced Ghana savings and loan. Say your more cash here. Say opesa or expand your business. If you want to purchase new stock, if you want to go in for new equipment, or probably clear your goods from the port, worry no more. Advanced Ghana Savings and Loan, an affiliate to Advanced Group in Paris. Yeah, or over 1 million clients and presence in 9 different countries. Also, best sort out one time. Yeah, they are committed to bit me our business now. You be successful. While bra more competitive interest rate on our loan, good collateral policy. And I feel more busia. Our bra uni proud savings be with us just when you need it. Your mobile banking service, a 20-year friend of Mobi Bank, and also Ebwa. Emma Unya absolute comfort to make repayments and other transactions directly from your Momo account. wherever you are. Our bra extra cost to be our MPMO. You can visit any of our 20 branches across the country and our website www.advancedghana.com. Now, get further details. Equally, you can speak to our call center agent on our toll-free line 0800 355 355. Advanced Ghana, growing together. I wish I had any aboa free yashe and then ask someone to your home for. I will feel quite so. But my man free said the final stretch of the football season with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak is finally here. And once we stay connected, our Go TV so I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Premier League, Serie A, and they can come be stand by your team until the very end. We are football beyond team in Casa Manafa, so who they are calling so connect from as low as 48 Ghana cities using my Go TV app. Ultimate Asher now witness the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football season this May. Go TV, love it. Alright, I'm fast that Kesema Becky Bonnie on the Uncle Ato with this one. Unyame Ohoda taken from the album Edze. And let's jump into this one from Wilmina featuring Minister Igwe. Kukuruku. Ila today. I wish I best in there is on Sanka the new HD plus decoder Ibia. Oh, your one bro, or wish you any now, dear my bro. A no person share TV pa na any daho clear pa come who be a pania dadwa. So we the new HD plus decoder now all the ball HD TV no so come home. Not just I to tap. On the patch no. Timansan count DSCR from the nearest authorized dealer now say any Electroland showroom bia or my fana baby. The owner say quality no unya 5 times better than standard definition. To Joe there, now when you the Philly experience here can want some maybe. Press CR 0242 439 872. The Baba shall somewhere to you on for Cecia. I would make it so. I name it, no. Just a minute, you're sure somewhere there, you're the 8 year old for. I would make it so. So, and as someone you do 2 year old for no, well, but for customer, say, make the maximum out of whatever moment you have now, because no condition is permanent. People fall from grace to grass and vice versa, or vice versa, said the open beer. Or say, you should go on and make the maximum out of every moment beer. Our womb CCA. Not just say no, and found say ne udi ana ebia or brand a child ma, and your man ko ye and ma was it. No matter the situation, be our be final self won't be ano. As I said, ultimately say, obey ye the obey to me bia. Our bra won't train so. Say ope emrepa and now cry no emrepa mu na wanna cry na so betimi to akoso na wapema konkan the more esan say or say no condition is permanent not just a tibia bia ni wa bekomu asetre mu a sa tibia no e ya febo say betra won sa esan say enipa bi no mo etimi frokosro a kodum pempenso bi na mo timi tehwe e wa asetre mu saa na nipa bi so ate ahwe wasetre mu nso no etimi ebom homoden ema afi omukoduru soro so ekire say from ente hoda ekire say abrabo no eden ya situation so de etie no enka wo saa ada ebre edane na ebre esesa ebetimi aba say ne wo soro ade echi obetimi aba fom ebetimi aba say ne wo fom ade echi obetimi akosoro tidie ni wo mu nyina ne say ebre betu bia no die twa sese wo ye bia so dasani no esese wo ye ene ebia no bra na bo ahwe fom menka wa se obra na mo ate ahwe etuna fofo no sisu na dikan wo mo ye ajanti no de waka wa to aso na yiro ho so betimi enso abo homoden esa se ebi ochena ho so betimi akoduru so obi saa so na wo ene ekoyie ma a bibia ede na kwamu e se wo te da udi de no wo so fa show trimu se from ente wada ebre ye ninka so etu ntimi ntra eden mu saa nkosi ase eti ese utimi tu hofo na wudi a wadwe ho mpire no na ochina bi no ankoba se oba be free soro aba beti ahwe asem tie wotwemu ani we na wie di tuomfo eti wuni ba bi a wugina wuni level a wadu asase so se wo de no wo soro that you need to be careful say be na met tenhwe ana e bia wate ahwe dada ana e bia ode ase hwa na dada dan na wugina ne ade a say be na betimi akeka ne matu yi na onso etimi afroba soro ni nyina ene se obema wani adaho yi no se abrabo yi ti bia bia bekum bia no akopem na hia se den a ebesesa enka hoda no condition is permanent. Your first was that my proud sponsor mobile my ETS asemi MTN edomo ase MTN say enka ncho say wakofa free after one ehye no e de aba ayetiawa ni nyina ne se osoya wo de kasa sa as long as you want to talk keep on talking okasa you only pay for the first minute of your call, the rest is absolutely free. In addition we send you 50 MB of data. Now they are browsing for free at their THD account. Just dial *550# now I subscribe to MTN free after one. Then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Our first day on Koma Doormaster and Pobiman Paint Depot. A patro ho and now bo remwa. Ye boawo nende onsa etimi aka apono papa de akosi udan no na bibia akoye de ama obey enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Your doors no it ranges from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, bathroom doors to wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, doors nina ebi we aswe and I'll be paint ya from one swa. And they are partner with News Paint. Now you're the shares from Kwamba for churches, schools, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Say mo magic paint. Papa ibi mo fanko paint mo dan ahodo no. Na yen spread this kind of mamo. Na mo to boase. Entuatua ne kakra wa bra. Yen fa interest bia ento so emamo. Yen Euro standard paint no. Yomu acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paints, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, any paint accessories. Ahodo pi na. Ore echa kwa ye wo Accra Kumasi Highway no so Pobiman toll booth wona. In fact say udu Pobiman toll booth so ujina toll booth wa when you try a shop no mu. Egita udi bia frɛ 0542 745 222 and after 050 021 2447. Now on a door master and Pobiman Paint Depot Eddie Enkita ho na emwabia hobia so no yetimi ahwe na yede aboa. Uso awutie 106.3 FM. Now Sir Scott Betnase now around the world in 5 minutes yede abro. But before we do that no ene nyame adom yesa aka opani baako ewo yenchen ofia ene ene beto aso akoya nimu pa so ono akasa obeku fia be mana transa je I am talking about the man Esophagus. Yes. Now, Papa, you are be my Ghana powder, Ghana Nana, I saw we. The deal na first one, I mean, say Pattinson, say first one, how do you pronounce that man? Pattinson. No patenting that say. And the patenting Papa few. Esophagus. Akwaba.
Yeah.
Na empomu to say.
Nyamyandum. Say adichi na kudu dressing room o. Na si fagesi. Na ko bobole asidan kwa.
Ore name no minim Harden, right? But full name na say
Henry. Ni Adama Harden.
The Henry Harden na minimum na okay. Na ba ne say na patenting papa view e ba say na no e bam.
Once Aduma chedi, once Aduma we are no. You do it with great dexterity.
Bro for that shall no.
Tama, you be taxi driver. Character name I Aduma me papa ni. And I chance am say no.
Taxi driver TV series, no?
Yes. So you BB, Nero Raimo, to be transferred and so. Me, I'm introducing myself, patenting, Papa few.
Wow. Now him say, Oda Master Scott, you remember so. Now you didn't come out, because we brought from ya okano. So unique. Now, I am now man for him say. Ubo dream now can be kekesa, but the other day I outside send me message there. There's been quite a number of times I was sending me message. I a personal message to me, but ibu amekaya name is na mitimi kan na my screenshots na me dey to Instagram. Na man for sha omuti say that bro for penny. And the other day I'm so okay, mama sha there. So I tried say bro for na watch ni na no. Me boy chiri on dictionary mu ahwe and I realized say ni na brofo pa so I hope and I'm like I hope na brofo kese na ka bom sa 2%. I don't know brofo kese sa.
Oh, you see we are saying no oh ye bibia so ye ni nti no me translate me hu say Ghana for me can sadly wait to the baby boy the first director of taxi to be born ambassador because it was so scripted and come into me can no continue to Ghana catch and say bro for me can ya de osijano me ko bench na and ya between if you na man fan ko bench there ya be say we use and what the call the ban Ghana for so to so na me say oh I know the as I say me yeah na me yeah no more.
Wow, but now if it wasn't there you couldn't have produced that. It did not.
Oh yes, in fact, so last we catch us say wrong perception. In fact, Oko Bank of Ghana.
Abusiamon join you on Facebook. Yane Papa Nina say
your children's library.
Esophagus.
So every 2 weeks, a soak of a book. So you'll be exposed to a lot of books. Then in secondary school, that was the advent of African writer series. Stone Country, Alesta Guma, the beautiful ones are not yet born. A challenge, say, as a so kind. Now, so what she also what kind of
should be able to prove.
Yeah, until kind on the book depend on expressions, the vocabulary, and the outro. And more so, never imagine was a lawyer, and a lawyer also there. Kasa no did you West no did you. So I started apart from that to this time starting say me choose this direct. Also I let you. Me throw introduction to what in time now. As a some for Virginia Omukusia.
Wow.
Nami adom. Yele alifa. Inti no sana kona inti definitely no ultimate mad ya huni.
Yeah.
Okay, to say 2000.
More
than 2000.
That's right. Yeah.
Inti no
na
but just started taxi driver no so Emma me started so say me enlarge horizon.
Yes.
To be able to live up to expectation.
Sure.
No say then obi 80 wa won't think as on you.
Enra was sending me text message. You have a WhatsApp message. No obi odi ni birthday. And I'll send in the mommy. I just mentioned the person's name, and I may me words account of the wish because all the other now I try because I'm a kaya. And now why? Remember what kind of message, you know?
Okay, no problem.
Today, my name is Scott. I'll come back to you. You start off with that message, Nafi. Yeah, trust. So, Sir Scott at Nasi around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. And they say, wow. Say, wow. Say, wow. All right, Sir Scott. Says God. Akwa William.
Yeah, ni abrafeni.
Na empomu te say.
Ya Kenny.
Nice.
So so ho ye de.
Na ho ye papa.
Ya da chedi ampo Nyankopon basa ya dom na say.
Yeah.
Brother. Can I tell you something?
Go on and tell me, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
Say Oyoba. Na okwa sra man, brother. Na say wo slippers na wuje gu eye epono na no. Be man no be fa slippers no sound the co inside. Who say okay is different.
To wazi. Okosra no. Now rom pabo no.
Egu epono na no.
Egu door na no. Na be man say be bie door no.
Door pabo no sound inside.
Pabo no go inside.
Who say okay is different.
Hey, guys, you
case, no?
If you visit your boyfriend and you take off your shoes or your sandals or whatever it is that you are wearing, your slippers, now the good door now boyfriend is a pieba. No, but sample boy if you don't know the question inside. Your case is different.
Your case is different. Right there we saw your ex. Nasa or block from all the social media platforms. Who say life is hard on the other side. Yes.
If your ex
was started blocking from all the social media platforms in your contact or started blocking just know say life is hard on the other side.
Okay, now I say me di mani for
we ni bupa.
As about bisa.
Any. No. Some person obehu. We research na media man. Right. Who nya no baby a ade ofie kwanso.
Oh man.
Daddy,
you great you.
Mama mo ransom. Daddy, Crowe what that?
Crowe.
Latvia.
Yeah.
Areho samwesi wo hopa. 8 people. Ewu. Seriously. Na hotel. Na hotel no kra woni ade esan wo. Eye illegal. Oh yeah. Eye illegal. Onsa abrofo no brother one fa procedure no so anya ade na. Omo nyi ntuma ne nye yewu. That is like bia minima utumi fa ho di no. Aha de hode wuntumi fa ho ndi. Na de tinye hotel no eja to hotel ni. Ena mere kra ho. In fact, me share video no na mere ho papa. Eno nam so ema nipa 8 ahre wo mo enkwa dodo na nso ena eprepra e wo Latvia. Asema making e ho nesi.
Okay.
Omo capital town no esi omo capital town Riga. E ho nesi. Yeah. E ho nesi. Rajeri who Spain what you asem depa. Yeah, isan say omo hope say omo de nniama begu akwemu se ne be ya from June. Eja wa opese wo kọ wo so apese wo free hoko baby no obetimi akọ so mpese mo ye digital passport nyina ne ade yeah intino ni no so ye asem da e free ho aba omo ka say remember kan che ewiase nyina na wo munti gradually me dem story no wie no India na me share nsɛm a na ɛkɔ ɛwɔ hɔ no me share nsɛm a na ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ no so man baako a me ne nyɛ interview gradually asɛm ɔka kyerɛ me rɛhɔ yi ɔse ne ba onyanwo no ɔse yɛ funum onyanwo no ɛne ne yere ɛwu the same day from COVID-19
sir
o me na me ka kyerɛ akwara na aka kakra na nka ija doctor akoye the push no ene ne yiri ni ewu the same black omu bom
ish somewhere
in fact ti man o say accept onya akọ not ye ne asa na akoma no ye tu ohome kura na ensi so
ebe da ensi so jo
ohome a brajeri na ensi so akwa ya re ho samba pa brajeri entino de bia meka kire wo ne kura me se Ghana fo nyina se so mo de hye ewo India mo bom paya kai wo in fact now
the whole world is praying for India.
Yes,
situation is it
is it are not in the brother mediasi
okay
nansa na mekodo can I tell you something
catch him
and I know the men choke
they catch him
and the brother retie ma menchira ekwan a emma ho omo faso introduce omo ugly boyfriends e kire omo na fofo me be kire say obana the boyfriend ne ho otan no no aya we say be ma no ho nyefa na o introduce na kire ne na fofo a o introduce na say don't look at him like that he has money and one no we introduce no wo kwa chi moda we fake robi kejebi na chese wo kan
na
wejebi French ni be ka cho say Jevel Capel na chese o tete say day
ye be cho
Roger
oh my into this one from the man of Chame Kwame Miracle waiting for you
Mr. Vezet, I was on top to those to sing good try waiting anticipating Fear Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Atum 106.3 FM. Any brother shall be free through. Who cries a woo by me fear? I hope I come see me soon. My swash and name, my dreaming. Nina Matu Mebu, free so down. Would they buy me fear? No, Nadia Mewu. Scooby Lab Lolo me oh Tia na me chewo Kwanso na ba mi le na Kwanso na ba mi le se na ba mi le
happy birthday going out to Reverend Mrs. Azul Dickens of Perez Chapel International, the Dome, Jolu. Wishing her God's blessings and good health from her lovely husband, Mr. John Dickens, Abednego of Adum Newsroom, as well as Elsie. The message here says, "We love you, mommy." And then Reverend Michael Cranting, Senior Pastor of Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries, Germany, Düsseldorf. Today is your birthday. We all wish you the very best of the day. You be blessed and enjoy some more blessings from the Lord as you celebrate your birthday today. Me papa, Reverend Dr. Paul Yao Usu Ansan. Papa said, "Nyame unsha pa." Hello, good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish our sister, Mrs. Joyce Jan, aka Mami Ekuya, in New York, a happy birthday. May God bless her new age, pa. From Julian, Awo, Jason, Jeffrey, and the entire Kuma family.
I'm bringing in the feeling for the mingling. One of them TV, and if I'm the ceiling, them are so
Justina Apia, aka Efiatina, old student of Koforidua Technical University and a national service student, Ghana Tourism Authority Koforidua. It's your birthday today. A happy birthday to you from Prince. I want to wish my wife, Faustina Simpson, clearing agent of Dominant Logistics, a special happy birthday. Yeah. And this one is coming in from Frederick Otu, aka Solar Sound. Solar Sound. Solar Bibia Boko there. Chiawa Fima, catch and say, Manaoda Papa. Okay, so yeah, I get a sports about the transformer, but before that, earlier, Ote, say manya dini, patenting, Papani Papa Few, aka Osophagus of taxi driver fame. Those days, needed just a one taxi driver there, and I just say, oh, you need the office or you, and no one I never cry, DG, Nika, crack. Now, make us some more ready. Do you have the message? Message now the same day, you know. Oh, there, kinds of message, you know. And as you read, now, mention message, you know, because me shot the I'm saying, yeah, they are same day. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, let's go. Can message now? Wow, the same day, you know. Read the message.
Okay. Say, as you legitimize your birthday today, may the Lord extricate you from every torrential hostility and cushionize your oligarchy through the pneumatological immaculatability minus any disastrous and unmitigated episode. May He enrich your hacienda with magnificent, prodigious propensity, chroplastically interspersed with transcendental powers, and grant you abundant years of longevity, and fill every breath of yours with sensational dose of felicity, affability, tranquility, and vivacity and serenity. Happy birthday, sister. Nina.
Bravo Penny. Enti we no efiri so obani na o chese na ehono.
Okay, in the interpretation, tell you I say who do birthday. The Lord extricate you. Irade extricate you so Jofi. Bibi biara
facility, yeah. And then the honor
cushionize your oligarchy through its pneumatological immaculate.
Oligarchy no
oligarchy ya hindi. Na pneumatology no enu say the spirit. It's all for nam so.
Yeah.
Na onju ife aturenche be.
Wow.
Afi onbo hu da ohun bai. Well, any modin need to me chroplastic and say odi fra. No onfa enfa need to me. And shouting. No omo no after no on share onfa in the park and share of rumor. So felicity, affability, tranquility, vivacity, the serenity.
Wow. This is too much. Anyway, enti yambra birthday no so. Na birthday no say neko.
Oh, nyamiado. In fact, I don't know, but I'm saying since I won, you woman no ninja sada.
Since I won no. When ninja sada.
Yes. You say inra me dawa. Sorry, I be born by kakana de chino. You say Genie asumdwe bi wura well at least we did birthday back 59
it's 59 birthday now udi nani ene ya
60th
it was 60th birthday now udi nani yes wow we dey kwame this obeto happy birthday man una na we dey say ono anada bia ode brofo akese ba ma kan yo ti we
oh yes enijie bia na ema na nyu so wa be release ba ko papa feel
yes o say enye patenting o de banka de patenting was it patenting some me friend na me ga say patenting but ono anga sanso wanzo
said in the found
the house of Okukuna
na say mo club no ne say de ye be ba birthday so
say de say if you rough road no so
and them be the name go
come here to happy birthday my boy 60 years they do enough from sao 60 and you look strong too you look very strong what they fine and they call you
I'm baby or do be in room half
I know so some no me cabit manim so kwama your driver I can't be a phone in picture of bomb say waka baby
30 years boy yana
what was that
na boy say young guy
no
about you say
popular
or trap on
what they are 30 oh
that's so yeah
popular trotro no
nebo chiri
you say no driver there
be a best no driver
or that about just
nice guy
why you kind so pa me say na driver fire kind so dia enti opani abusuafo amutie yen papa ni na ba
na to happy birthday yen ko na
before so be to no me cross kwan ya be ya na zebra crossing ho no na ba nti o anu okra no ogina o fair green hu se me fiti ha me ba no ba ma me ben ha kra no ogina ho se me ntwamu ansa nti ntwamu we na no team o ko ya gated o fa tia Misu minimini
eti abranti ase na na ba on cha no achi awan
never be with especially so ni nyangopon so badum me so ya dum papa bi
we sit now okay oh
we need to talk problem you when you come
okay me shira so mo dey
Levi, just like I outro choco how.
What you pay come here kan ho
okay.
Oh 14 years nya me dey go be man dey
oh no one knows on how he's strong.
First lady mu dey ni bia. First lady say na me tell you 17 am say. I mean,
I say 17.
Yeah. Eso shasa na wodi.
Rebecca.
How to say ni ba bia mu ni dwe.
Yeah, sorry, I'm going to be has
a penny come and ho. Yeah, I'm a nipa pesa yes, can be a whom classmates back in the village.
So what you can or can any
some friend of a crowd classmates Kakaba
na ya na epa ebi ohodum so a esorosoro
no kwa den ka pank
na aye ayi won wan na ese emefen no basa na ese uwa be gina ufitira o bo hwere mafro
I know they don't know na aye petition
na me kan e twa photo awie o ni bia akas wo do eko
it never be special birthday because the trauma obi o so special to me I say papa ni and the likes no me nipa bia me akra ni na no show mo so na me many be comedy many be this comedy team because of people like papa ni no one easy they don't struggle to make people happy so what I say it is that when you move you be go up the stage of some obi ni crowd you say who feel free papa o ka say no
oh menya guy ni din o say a friend of Bright Billington on cross the coin. Oh, say thank you very much, Jerry. I was the guy who asked Nana to give me the shout out across the street.
Okay, on to kind of front to bit matter.
Dear, I was on. It's bright.
I say he not to be packet type.
Oh yes.
I say, oh, Kwame, happy birthday, me Akamu.
Last be say me nam kwan ho ana me nya akọ na me pake ya bia me hwese say AM fo se wan hwan fo ma be gina ho na ya pake na me say mo be se me yede. Ye drive ya esi me ntie ko.
Ayi
ko no me gina check akra so na me tie na.
Ma say ya utimu omo happy bebre.
Oh, that be share, right? Ayi airport.
Ko ma djuma fo fro na omo.
On kita sa
on person people point no.
Omo ya me hu so omo ya gina.
Say the okay here me so ayi airport. Unse baby airport police station nechi sa road na e now the copy polo e ho na no. Unse from airport roundabout no pay na no. E na minya call. Dia na me park won chen wa me kwa na mtika mu. E na me kasa wo phone so. The next minute ya cruise you abedu. E na am so officer. Me see for me hwe call no important me person me drive na my kasantina me but this place there you can and I'm catching say me too akomanim na makopa kan matie how do you and I papa ni ka say ehum nya wa betimi agina na waye no say nanu adabi na East Legon Potem Lagos Avenue ho.
Yeah.
Nti
sa ho no wa pe ho papa nyo na mo zia tutu vuewe.
Ai sana sa time nti sana minim. Ena dabi na minim ache asem we ache pa. Enti me ba na dwobe 9 something more baby. Ena me yes ne ma minyina na me respond to message no na WhatsApp message. Enti me pack won chen won na mani gu phone so am gu su miemia so na. The next minute na me rolly we no so app. So Windows na we should know that. Afi the next minute me go su kra phone now. Hello. Now, Kwame me yam share me ka phone kra fi out of me because I was not expecting anybody. Dabi, girls EB. And again order say or the bebutu do na no say ya ai. And I'm say what no say I told you called me. And I say me call no. I feel there. Jeff me twamani asent you happen na. Me from madam from chance says no na how the oko gina then how the microphone yi ni o na chese o gina open na chese o pege dia
gina pede ya I say and crop na slow down ama is open na you can
Mass Plaza side ho if I say how you come up omo yitiesie ho nti ne fa say Mass Plaza hotel no one from say no ne suru say
Plaza so da so ho ejina mpa
obi frame say ye call tumfo mame ayi na yekoda ho no na obi frame na obi say so mo na so me wo Udu Plaza Junction Udu Tra Plaza Hotel Junction na ni fa so hotel bi o say na dia ho no odru I'm saying your plaza na me da o me see was the message ai sa 18 ho no me de be how be dey
dia for be mo me na
cruise na
okay
yeah
papa ni
okay
udi dia jai
so bia
omo etiefo no obi odidi bia onya okay yankwe
go
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you now. 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 And then so happy birthday to you, Papa Ni. Yamisha. Na onyo kese pa. Asem okay hotel how dey
obey on live video pe
o dey jai
we say that in the latest
metene
o dey kan na bibia akra
na Pentecost we dey intro okay so
Papa ni oje ba say nyene.
Oh.
Na dance die ni o.
Oh, enu kra de ache kra. Enu kra de ache kra.
Mesia Yesu a.
No.
Na ma bom din ma fra so.
Oh, and there yeah say ya da su jina abamdi no.
Evergreen ti unhia latest.
Ya bu na ta kokoma ka say ya fe no.
Oh, ba ku bi o. E be say
oh, one time here. O metra abatem bi around.
Why?
Ka say slave free one.
Oh, I know or tie around pa. Yeah. Na mo say aso folk, mo say den na dey say papa ni wa anti.
Aye coach no wakasa de kire say
fans
ni na yan support aye team no with Yakuma nyina
na has fans no
na supporters ni nyina yan for Yakuma pa enter team de kire say edu say obia edwane coach si dwane na coach patron na edwane na obia edwane no wode akukuduro ene be so team ni nya yan support na the person dey kono ode akọ na target ni say
coach no ohia mo support.
Yes.
Okay. Now set you say coach ni so ye adwuma ni yie. Na at the end of the day no boys no so e bom homodin a. Supporters they will be happy and they will give all the support.
Sure.
And now papa need them
the most loyal people in any football institution are supporters. Boss. And you joke me am kunta in the 80s as in yade no. You have a bobola just we didn't maybe we ko ye bi ni ade na ye sha ontumi ndidi. People don't know the Anglophone film.
Yeah.
And then because you told books opera said me ball. Yeah, say we say even look just calculate say obituary or Kaleshi. The visit from Kaleshi to way for say 5 cities to Osu. Or about so 5 cities, 10 cities. Would you try least ticket 10 cities? Now I what are they doing 5 cities 25 cities. Multiply 25 cities by 15 matches of a share. I waiting here. No, only by just a yellow film, said, why? She a woman for Uber. Oh, couldn't 2 bottles be. Now calculate 25 times 59. You pay for it and almost stadium chair.
I want to penny for they don't pay.
Yeah. And Obiwa go and check. Oh yeah, director. There 2-3.
But come in, asem plan no so aka no. Utu say, ayi for now. Omo kwa omo kahwe omo asem ndudwam no. Omo musika nkwa na eboa club no. Penny when they go they don't pay.
Obi bisa me say na supporter then na odi boa team na me bu bibi yaya. Because you calculate this number.
Yes.
This amount of.
Yes.
This amount.
And the time they devote.
The
risk involved.
It's no. Meanwhile, no. Obi wa director. Obi stadium free ne echino. Anka omonboa onfa kapre mboa. That's what that day. Now the one you bought 10 years now illegal. Ajube na the because so ajube na the boy say ekoye.
Agajili.
And then you walk a mass. Oh
no, you say,
so also the wide na eboa. Now the wide na eboa na 10 years what mean here? Wide na papa no.
2009.
When you are company,
I've been telling people say sit down and check sit down check. Obi wo onuma ofi wejia we kura ma yenu dia kanis obi fi wejia obi fi agenda
kaswa phone na kura ba traffic pa
ya ko share match Kumasi and obi share many papa be no minister Kebedu
ulusu match
ulusu sama una se Kumasi dey 9 years then lusu until lusu ba kokra na ye gina PNT Ibedu, I mean from Kumasi, Ibedu around 11-12. Ijina wa my about 5:30. Yeah, bonko, yeah, boy, actually, yeah, bobo. Yeah, nipa you sleep about 5. Yeah, bobo, I mean about 5:30.
How much?
Yeah, Jina, answer it. Oh,
we know. No, different Kumasi, no more bobo.
Oh, that's about yeah, bandia. Says all that's now that. Tell me what we see the way this what it was. Now, you really try to talk like first one September. Say, yeah, Bobola, Kotokoni as a bar.
Yeah.
Vaco for woman call night, who's an uncle for night. Also for high on bus.
Yeah.
Nakotoko high on bus. Mam Koena, so much of the house we need.
Yeah.
TSA Kotoko, say, show there, we know Pentamako. Look at the risk. If you do bed 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Over bed 10 o'clock. You be pump 5, and still do 10. Now we need the our excuse. Kotoko the back of the Ubusing Jano. And another for us is okay, Sadia, you were traversing. Yeah, but you do be a wise summa. Or see when Pija Rosa make a choice of your Kotoko. Oh, the Kotoko is so Pija. That's so focus. One Pija is you. You see, woman who run football, they take the decision as if it's a
difficult moment.
When we take the decision, 9th August. Either 83 or so. 83, it's before 84.
But Timo the bomb
you win it 4-3. I am telling you, it's the first half trainer. No, Papa, your friend Chalemano or magazine. Ujanika Okufino names every Janika. Oh,
what's our one on Junior?
What I say? But also, you not to see the Cabano. Not that I could do feel. So people don't know. If people know, and yet they will be with you. But take pragmatic decisions and other things are at least you will say you're calling him.
Yeah.
Now you take decisions to say your own or your own my team. Forgetting that millions of people are following.
And then Papa Niaka has some papa.
It's not only as a folk.
When you pay work has some so say only as a folk. Or come on the team.
Who coach in say on from Akumana. Papa ni sister na wanya. That can remember.
Oh, Mammy could be in shell. Sisia no Yami Adom. Me whom you bubu Banchivia and well work a young faka. Kotoko, 9th July 1980, Russia and train and Namity. Satan Master Kotoko was said by 9 no serious with you.
Oh, yes. Oh,
who cried the Johnson? The woman do so good. Who cried the Johnson? The woman do so good. Oh, the so crowded must report to you.
Yes,
because it's not to so be. Okwa unya
emetra ba bia otino
entru kra juso de wanu ajuso ro butu okra wunsu and out with now so folk any afiado you could do 5:30 in the stadium. You see 5:30 people have passed through all
wow
it is sesiano me makuba na me kra no I'm like a stone in the river. I'm used to the cold. When abuba order and so much.
Because I want to
born the me share managing home. At the end of the day, yeah. Say Kotoko share 5. Or share 4 crafting watereka. Or share train 1982, so share 32 over 20 years. Just share 4 crafting watereka. Or share 3 to the
or share 5 years.
And creating as a sort to be confederation or semi-confederation finals or Watereka. And so can be Champions League finals to wire record. No chance.
Oh, they are what she said they are wrong.
And to be doing never pursue me.
Yes, I know what the team that you attaching.
David is no so.
Naya no so. Yeah. They say Nippon young or days.
Yeah, Toro checks by the bones of 40 years. And you can do a house of folk and the best. What do you call team next year?
Net fast one.
Who support team? No, all right. But Akumana first year team.
And also, coach is all coach. Yeah, coach.
No, train will be denied on Kayasia. Or no, been for Akuma.
Coach in Wagon Boniana.
Meaning the Wagon Bonnie.
Or train a bell money.
Say, when to me and you league,
the only guy where you're coaching your brand here. You're coaching your brand here. What can now put to go
now? A brand here, did you come?
The youngest coach.
Kwame, now brand here now, the better come.
Youngest coach go league.
Okay, youngest, so your brand here.
A brand here, say.
Okay,
only a brand here, channel.
How old is our coach? I go Portugal for a problem on the cafe number. And I would say now, who technically one injury.
No, Oba, or say between 4, no, or see they should have scored 6, 8, or 9. and share Chelsea 2 or say they should have scored 4 or 6. No Olympics board drawing them because I didn't guess what we share. And I feel crowd and no, before then the crowd powerful tell them what and say or see boss a pitch no the same Madrid they said no far from that the same board no until I say or say so Obasipa the bed so be so much or pitch it down. You see the call is shame the before. All the number of matches and revolution of Basi. As go no call so much so Basi. O say we do so much. You bet you me.
Avani Bruni in the casa.
Now would you be there as on me? So I still have to your way. Yeah, in the alum tonsum started in the 80s. Football, yeah, sports with the way. Mean Jim say because say Macassim be a intro. And I said my embellishing so much. I got to share entry because the name was entry. Minka 28 April, Rosa share entry, Minkai. And I mean, can't you say share 4? And I can't say share configuration. Minka and Yanuka. Nina facts.
Now crazy. How crazy
Margaret Jefu Anka or say Papa ni have to join the Alligator Sports team. But see, if you listen to the Papa ni Aka who say the California de Makuma Abe Dibo Chipa. Oh, I'm the Makuma Abe Dibo Chipa. Boss. Because the guy say me na musano. Me kai me papa.
No so the menu 1 year school. Me the menu 1 year. Na you ever share ball where work. As of the jars of Sidiga. You join for school. Radio ya mobile. Na you buy no. You fancy akuta zumbo yemi no. Okay. So 5 days you try. And baby I want unya baby crazy rush ball no. Enti esese you call 15 cities. It's kind of so. Ti ye kabo mu na ye twa baako. Okay. And on the coin. Okay. Just all the coin or the above akakwa be faso be call. Na say your papa put the body wo.
Onu dey body ticket sama.
So their mommy. Enti no then excess ticket. It be just adu impo free man bra. I will be a TC miss and also na Jamie. To me column say what me you know ah. Shit, what was me? I want to say me. Me go try to be a driller me do a driller me no me.
And they save you.
It is saved. I said they try 5 and wash it.
Na mo le no pass him out.
Tell them you try 5 you find a popular stand. And then me nya be enti say you go try what do VIP. And also you see can so say try back. And about no I say me no dey call.
No what is stamp no Sunday ticket about out and all the move.
Oh see, who say I work dey quite them.
Yeah.
So we na after their mommy and of the second ticket no. Ube sisi na afro be rem. Soldier fu dey jira wo. Line no be 50 o.
Yeah.
Police fu be 50 crab obi enfi wo. They be sure young soldier bi aba. One line. Within 3 minutes na line na back. I see one line. I don't know even 50. I'll be a person. Okay,
one line now.
Police were back. So one line. You know when you be like I just say
as I see, I need now. I want.
As I would see you be now so strong.
Oh, so that for Monday, Yamebo. No, so Bible. I am performing police.
And great.
I say, Asaf for Mama Kitchen. So, Internet soldier for say discipline. Oh, no. But when yes, one can say police for no.
That's so very crazy.
You know what they know.
Time you are my say so therefore now okay.
That's the police are there. Police you. Police you be there. You say the Bible police you be.
So the only special.
Nana ko was you, Ocha.
I did so. And I go.
Over Monday to Friday. So to be mommy bed 2 years. Then I just a pension one.
You may arrangement. That's is the idea. I just now better. You can work. I don't just say, but active work na here.
And there's something
almost been here.
Boss, Uko Ministries are Obi 5th floor. Odu 1st floor. And you're born no more than Odu 2nd floor. No man accountant or contract is sell obey inquiries me. Inquiries or so Kakarua home. Odu 10th floor. No akwaku HR. Aku be sister is say we are not. That we last 3 weeks I see. Mameno say when you're 36 years. It's a home. Zoom line for Pejma, our motive. Who say when so we energetic people. Mommy, who see a blue 50, who's when you're 36, no problem. Who's all chance a chance one and a lucky. Yeah. What trust your body? I mean, you body D. What's that trust? What's the review that Papa Lucas about me? Who say, Sisi Krawi, and yet 36. Don't feel that I would hear. 57.
But I feel I can't age like that.
57.
My report to be a person when I newsman. You say test now, COVID test you how trust me and so that the update. And that's a very dangerous development, huh?
But the fact is that PCR test, 100% accurate. Yeah, na unse bibia nipa bia na ya ma margin of error.
The ono can or say accurate na ye no. We no margin of error and accurately chew. Yeah. And ye no na margin of error. Margin of error no. And the be
there is an issue. There's an issue. Issue. Yeah. Your friend is results are questionable. I think Ministry of Health issue a statement to that effect.
Yes, so be all negative, but sometimes they say it's positive, and vice versa.
I don't hear how mama so near.
Because say when it's way or you're negative, that's all you're positive. The name of the before when you're not doing too much.
Oh yes.
You want to create great melancholism in my life and take away my thematic reference. Oh, family Jacob free. Oh, you see, Edding COVID Monday, COVID waba. COVID.
Because who's the results we ain't getting.
Oh, boss, I say, you move my you me to me hospital. In hospital, me koji medru. Nyamiadum the way I need to talk around me to come and me crown. Me do nyamiado actually be kwanka me humo. Go back to school. Oji edru. Not means who be drew na swap the amame. Hey, pharmacist will be drew. Wow. Oh, that says woman go school da no.
Me so be the back of hospital.
And me say na never acquire me.
The man open antibiotics.
Doctor for me.
Oh no, that's one. You have to refer.
But what do you have pharmacy? I'm not just me.
So but you see me Monday who say to say you are Jerry no or the phone you Crawford friend. But it should be one ɛsɛ sɛ yɛbane phone wɔ hɔ pharmacy wo nyinaa you can even receive a message a ɛbɛ
wo say baby kwa ne girl bi asend ne message but all seven no ahwɛ no asese no
prescription no indication wo mu as to number of times ne how long they also take care drone now tini sa a destiny yin na so pharmacy
yeah
also enum ne bufu growth we change ne ma
and also be one more yare na edura onom no na awase yare no say for edura na onom ne bra we be ko no edura na onom na how de be ko na enu na eja okwan
and they no crepa
barely 3 weeks enu nya code ntanya komo za kwala keto sa binya code na me nya
that's refusal no create code review
na esa na ma me for the film hunu
me kwa na me fibi na me de call hospital and I'm tro adruma me to be call na me de ma pharmacy no but the opposite like this big pharmacy there gate na no na and the woman was like me na me call no me say there be back to 2 weeks I say hey antibiotic adi mo pani aje so wonyi kuro aje so o severe pain say kama me ne na me de come akola na akola
akokoku no ko kan achi
my second born my third born
so come back so akola na tena
ayi be gu
o say ti pa no so be fa no na me say nyame na me ko no de tie ni yo o chocho so no so be fa ba ko no pa ba ko na me say nyame na me ko no na so wan na ko na me so me ba o ye 2 weeks o say hey class man the children man it told him say the call lady no back young a doctor back na me say pharmacist say I drew with the from akwala what was that book
I don't own your pressure book
I say mo
second of an Google of an Google and uja na so na mo so ka kwara
second drew ko trauma man koto I was scared as someone American I was scared because I draw you say obi o severe pain and you dey man
adult
but adult or
severe pain not just pain ordinary pain
me try a doctor for so enti tell papa ni kan ba bi wo aya musu mo mani enko fun ni mo mani enko aduma na ho ade am ya kwase ba bi am di misika ko to ade na bi na be kona fun tare ni papa na so say you to kona for so de to na open me na abaya duma ko de west abaya duma
na say ema ye bi no madi o
yeah
MD na ye transfer no ba baby no nkrofo no oyi be 14 edi say we o share chalewote ni ade ben nante car park ro be 1 week wosu chwo wo de na pe o no feel na wan ade nyina
Kwame Vivian Lisa Lati e no o twins bi o kwa no fe pa o say e no so sa wrong e bia e kakakra bi nkema ne mana ye paradise ka
o wi no runs we kona we cra phone o twa ne ho no o te des do sre to say wako entertainment center no na sase bi close to chocho mo na hu bi o yes wo bi bia yes
yeah
it all yes nyina no yes nothing microphone nyina da after 1 month e ko meeting no obi a chance director be born no afino bi e bi si o chance
do you hear any
now there was one boy onu de na ne di wo bu kra say on the say yeah baby man ko onu kra na ne suban e more time because ogu man wo we know na on to say they no share the ade and they say we into the way we relate they very very important and especially doctors any woman medical field and woman near than you because all near than you did no say what tell me see to say you must be serious and concentrate on whatever you are doing.
Yes.
And not the Bible say everything you do it as unto the Lord. And yet there is station say things done by halves are never done right.
Yeah.
Yes. Or there be any station to your class 3. Work while you work and play while you play.
Work while you work.
That is the way to be.
Also recitation only.
All that you do with your mind. Things done by halves. Sometimes when I say it is done by heart. Yes. We you know. There was about out you. Who knows myself? Phone fashion as well. What you with you now, but I've been watching you. This is the third time in those.
Papa ni for you.
Facebook you even WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I didn't know be send you message and I say request. Na entempa no wabo chiri ko hwe ne proof ansana oba be ya no oba ya no
me I do pa ena me no pre no ena me de ni say no who say especially on Instagram who say my account no private na the woman say say the private ni ti no say o person o be join me age say o ye yi o request it o request ya na me ma accept it me wo aba request me de no there be there be winka me say sisi na me say sisi na o request ya then I have to approve answer. It is sometimes we am ko bo ni pa na chihwe o hwe cause one obi but obi also to me deceive you oh obi ko hwe na you have that could be ototo bomb you na hwe na hwa na ma block you na chese oh dine ma you free because e bi no ha adwen
e bi no ha adwen friend Richard Oforia Misa or UMB Bank e waka so na ya na woda ti ma me no happy birthday
okay okay
kwaku abrantie bi ni ho akodi adwa mu de chese prosifo shia no kita condom ya use
na ande o de yeden
I was at Nigeria mo a police be from SARS no and pasas from the church said the way to see a ritual killings in man they have to who say am pass a kwon sperm na wo condom ni ma and na on your baby so na nam omususu say on na use condom but no bi say kwaku e dey na be mo aron wie a chechire condom
so o de yeden
so de ko baby
o de ko yeden
minimum bi a say okọ hotel o hin
on fanya ho
oba onu akwakoto atwene yeah because him say obi na ema na so te say
amanfo timi ko sesa de ye nema
girls ni bi fa
na girls ni bi so cry timi fa e de ko ye won enya nkama de
say ahana ye story bi a na ya broche de man sikani a wakofa ne kanchima ko run hotel
fast sperms
and I say clean our hospital hotel hono ono so eko clean hono and of fire sperm no ono around the good ni mu e ma onye me na later no o se papa na anyem no ye koye bi na ehwe na papa na
un se de ye sawa ipiga na akosoro
se de be ko
ohimi ya na so ni gugu se chururu
eti papa ye koye bi na enso ade e man ya oyi na no ba bi enye yi na wanya uskani ne se wa be yi
di be bi na abaya no krom fa na kan won nya se bia on de ya arrest but on de ko bo investigation I said
ne de bi wo mu
yeah baby omo chino no yeah baby a sa ritual killings na man ko and see you must say omo nya se on timi nante sa ekita na wo spends ma sa e so botom sa de
asemo
for say there be omo ti ase nti om de ne ko kwagu na ayi galamse asemi asan babiem na mi bisa say first okono ankon
de galamse ade no
okon di kana anya okon
antintam
de okay bi wo galamse na ko
ade nko we bia
sa
nko we bia
task force ni ade ni nya no nya
four stars crew nja juma na task force
nko we bia yes amount for the koyo mu yi ekoye avenue for amount for making cash
afeni na aban na nkasa ekon ade no ne mpanimfo ni bi tubi
ana making
oh yes
aban mu mpanimfo ni bi
tubi
na no ada de yi right
egu park de so picture ba no ade ne nyom de ya
just yesterday was so 3 days ago there was a news I be na me follow and say ya de week mu was last omo akọ operation amom ko ye no nkrofo bi omo akọ cheom e wo site wo China phone na aka obi ankrofo no guso ya de ne denden omo chi leaders ne wo mu no omo so say opani bi na amom boy intine right there na no omo make you call ma ofre boss ko no say oh say nti omo ne nkasa task force ne no ni ba ko no kasa no ono abo di nchom so omo no intine omo nya om no
omo djuma
oh Ghana ne oro omo nya no omo djuma
mo ni maimu
boss
akokrano sem
munya
madjuma oh udim za case no
ono bobo sia wa table no ne
sika na ta ne ho nye sika ketwa
omo aburo no ne ade ne bawia Neze. Jiska bando nye kumagu ni kabutu aoba. Nti ekwemu adwira kwemu na beto amrobes. Ya line crofo. No lumai. Ons papa pen wupu fra na ntuma no yi fa ho. Na crofo, hey, we will shoot you. How no see from now. Say scan we bondo ba kukuta no. Ni kuta mi ani.
Also metamaji, munya maduma. O mana aduma ni.
Zika ukura mi ani na munya maduma. Aduma ni memu. Omu yi mama oluma yi fa ho na okro no.
Kwaku referee bi dia se bia tudwa na ama we sen akra gu me.
Na sem no before so bekoso no. Obani na no aye ko launch book yi. Muse pledge ya na ye kan wa se mi se. Yeah. Won ye ntua. Se bom din tu bi atua. Okay. Philip Amponsa Brown.
And the way you have to say body.
And Steven Nikwe, Pastor Augustine Smart book no. Steven Nikwe ne Philip Amponsa Brown.
On why come
on waka no. Say enkwa ankosi hwe bi na wotwe bi simi na mentem nka.
Oh betua.
Na be bomudin. Si entem nka.
Yeah.
A referee na sem.
But referee as man make was say Abraham no say they retired referee. Atama no referee no your man bribe $50,000. One
local and international.
Ghana referee. The calf match.
Yeah. I was a really.
What's up?
African Cup qualified.
And the night before the match, when your band hotel said, "This is $50,000. We want you to." So be the match we must really win.
Fabro for the trust. We want you to.
Will be 50-50. 50. The same can say $100,000.
No. Share. I didn't know Umudu. I didn't know. You want to just question what I didn't say it. Say, you say a big bonnie. Who know you so you to say a bonnie.
Yeah.
What's it the American? There's no way. Ejuma wo ye na yin na se ye beji ni ska de de ejuma na wo fo san go betra no majuma be o bolo be fese o beti
baby
ene ba ku so o se o di trum se ya
de waje musika
o de on mo ne minimum so
o boy fuino
o ba ku so
ne me o ba ku be
boss we see no we so o true book no ye lectures from the man microphone some people will still stand and not bar to bar
when yes o kan dey tubo o so onu ne ho
but later no sa can say
o so onu ne ho
e me so o the bibi
but late finally no sa can say o sa you proud say one say sika no na o say okay
onu ho asa you proud
o say tamano e referee dey the down say the baba papers mu
oh na say
that be jena na hia no o ko gisika na bia na bibi asinu na ha no
boss mami ka boni bi ni wa Ghana na e wa IB ni abruti o mre bi ni ho no ma e wo abruti bi but woman so say mra no di mpunimpu ha wa obetwa present and you feel okay call and I beg you ni please no
in you
and that is what we must inculcate into our children no say I beg you ni we need to
and the tiro be a free ways
it no say oh no guys reference omo jiji yenim one more run football nim reference of jiji we know there's sports presented they know there attention only league but
I get the
sports presenters oh no say
but anymore
when the monko hwehwe e ko baduma no monko hwehwe mami kan say him tell e see what me bomb do club chairman say be bobo na referee by no na omo ka tell referee waba abamre ya de na referee to David no ni team ka se bi na be nti ho na ohu se na chese referee no wanje ne de dia waje ne dia nti ono ko ka che okuhu ni nkrofo e twa ne ntwinam ne ade omo titi taxi so na mo baye inde mo jabi gufem ono club chairman no dem view oba ho ni piano no atiato o se nkrofo no kon pen reference on family because we say what you to be dinti ame me akra round the area me ah by no the area
yeah
what I say it no you see
asemu enya better
so anyway you say na be you say you pay $25 million
African
e dey akwa akobo African AFCON.
Oh, yeah, no starter. Ghana problem is on money. It has never been money. It has never been money.
The problem with the Black Star.
Black Star, the money. Yes, listen, 2006 World Cup. And the then President Kufuor said, they have to say World Cup. Before then, they winning bonus is $1.
Yeah.
I think around 93 or so, Bokum disaster. Now one may feel approaching by $70 and Ghana for cities I didn't talk about. They see no 4% or motivating performance. You started say Saturday that was $10,000. Obibia what chance in that? Say for one person acquiring $10,000 from dollar does not depreciate.
Yeah, it's appreciating.
$10,000 in them. And get $10,000 a bro.
Yeah.
So why should we increase it
all the time?
And 10,000 cities, and because I depreciated 10, 11,000, and 12,000. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. No, you understand me? Say. And when you check 2006, you call World Cup, and you call Africa Cup for Egypt. You have appearance 300,000. 2000 World Cup 2006. You have appearance 2008 appearance 300,000. 2010 World Cup in Cup of Nations Angola appearance 300, 500,000. 2012 you have appearance 2013 and now almost shifted to odd years. You have 100,000. 2014 you have World Cup. They are 2016 year day. So one it was $1 dollar, even $10,000. Let's go 20, 30, 40, 50. And you joke.
It's a big money.
And you joke.
I see a corner in Germany. As I World Cup last World Cup.
Who they here for the football? You see, football.
In Northern America.
Football. But Obi Biara ni one more blaster or ye.
Yeah.
Obo Obi Biara. So we need to name out $200,000. But we need to any amount. And now she's saying now Steve Japia 2010 and 6 Steve Japia what do you call it? Oh, Jules Montari. And like that midfield no, it be any midfield in the world above. And I call in Brazil paying the paying and we 116. And you call Africa, South Africa 2010. Meaning every country was avoiding Ghana.
Yeah.
Every country, and I'm telling you, say Suarez and you plan so
yeah.
See, penalty and the red card is not equal to a goal. With the goal scoring chance, we tell them a red card, you commit the penalty.
Yes,
but
yes.
A goal.
Yes.
That was what Suarez did. Unfortunately for us, we couldn't proceed.
Yeah.
But the trouble the team was there.
Yeah.
2014, as I said, players see a Jew ding. So don't go about it. You need Jamie to according to sources, that was the toughest match. So if Sazil let me be more way 2-2 no, yet the Sazil now against other teams are. And then Germany Nigeria.
Yeah, Germany Nigeria.
Say the Sazil the boy. It means maybe we could have gone to the final.
Yeah.
We didn't do what was it money?
Between Germany and both finals.
Was it money? Well, your problem your money right now. No, the woman said we don't have the men now to deliver.
The players
no, you need woman $500,000. Confidence is inspired by the remoteness of calamities and by the proximity of sources of
on that you remember you your friends are from so na yam pom every ko nyame adom o kira na ya to aso na yam fa
just 1 minute.
Okay, oh yes
the kind I said the kind of pena me because utie me locals Mrs. Patience among Kote, Mrs. Patience among Kote.
Okay.
I first stand now. And then you also the birthday.
And then also the
60th birthday.
Oh wow,
but
wow.
Me say we around 10:30. No, me won't be anymore.
Oh, okay.
What you saying about hours?
Yes.
Mrs. Patience among Kote, Sister Nadu, ni Sister Joyce Muzalas. Nyame Israno. Amen. May the Lord excruciate your aggressivity with pontifications. May the Lord through its pneumatological abrasion, cause the immaculate ability of its draconizations to be unbeatable to oralization. May the Lord discombobulate all your melancholism and replace them with great thematism and increase your standard of living to
Amen.
We are low profile crowd. Yes. Because we said we were 1 week, 60 minutes with esophagus. And now I'm a media climax. Because of COVID. It's the only thing I'm say. Friday, we present a set of drums. The lifted yoke chapel. Okay. Ewo Mamprobi. Near the Tuesday market. We present a set of drums. And I'm no Kawase. Now we see that on the second, dedication and thanksgiving. And there will be an elaborate program. Every payment, Meko Wider, SOS, and I say Salem Psychiatric Hospital, and baby. Acquire donations from Nyama till even that great concert of 60 minutes.
Sure. That would be fantastic. Yamisha. And once again, happy birthday. All right, we say better trust now. Before you ask that my proud sponsors, no. Ofio Council WhatsApp group members, no. And Obako is celebrating. But I think there are two people when I'm celebrating on birthdays and home. Yes, Lexus and then one Theresa, right? Okay, so who do we have on the line today? Theresa. Okay, hello, Theresa.
Hello.
Hey, Theresa, happy birthday to you. Hey. It's when you not just ano. Hey, Theresa. Wow.
For 5 years in the started my skills.
Wow. Okay, Theresa. Who do birthday and then Sabre and for now shall now birthday celebration of course. Where do you want me for now? We had this and wow. Oh wow, nice. Asana mene obi abekasano on behalf of Ofio Council team and Ofio Council WhatsApp group members no, we are wishing you a happy birthday. We pray say nyame be cosmo be share now be wa kuma so ade na ma why. Amen. Charlie, I need any more. Baby, I'm sure they will say. No, I die.
Wife for her, I can't Letitia.
No, wife for her, no, so the Letitia. And they're not just Albano. Charlie, yeah, Mujibani too much. I'm again. How would you be able to power? You for call the other guy, no. Gangnam Style. Oh, friend on funny phone. Oh, and Ranso now, about the baby, or no, your friend on the phone. Anyway, it's a trust. Your fast, I can say my Jaisu about clinic or my WMP capsules. Yeah, no, Ebuama, we are to me now, it's me, Kona, you want to come apart. A sign preventing high blood pressure, cholesterol, baby, bear, womb, excess fat and gas in now, so I feel a Jaisu or the Sima lady capsules on swab for hormonal imbalance in women, and I feel a warrior Jaisu black Budu capsules on swab. Bemamu. Say if you done it, Memon Debiano, so you 2 days you had the share on my war stroke area. Away, Jaisu about clinical Ablikuma Olebu 6 to 6 down. Ghana Fonso more you can import a Monfred Dr. Shadrach Kwabain Chakwa. Now Mumbuki appointment now on to Boise and Shamo +44 744 071 0664. Open can and don't souvenir be or air Nana Boachi about Tema come to one of the AA men's and Nimde about Takrade, King's Walk and Repair Ventures and so away, Okashi Drag Lane, any other about shops in the world. And yes, our phrase 0244 529 398 and our 020 826 3357. As they don't come out bet borrow, but what the answer will be try to now wait me this guy can say now or the attreushim ako anymore. Nina and say and bet borrow now wait me a double winnings no our brad who use to win boost feature no every bet be a be place be no ultimate double winnings no also now obet me so any free bet no one is best sign up what make you first deposit no one place you first bet once your first bet is settled you'll be receiving free bet up to 400 Ghana cedis based on your first bet place. That's simple. Now wait me you got their show so bet borrow must be a player not a viewer licensed by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Betty and Betty responsibly. Undi 18 patrol member TB. In boost heba mesha police in the drone. Papa. A drobia cadem. Police in the drone. A yet dirty works nina. A more immune system no ya den say botry. Na fe yare bia kitinkiti akese show with them na so no. Akwantia ni na why free. Se bi extra kwan. Kings Walk Herbal, Ecos Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Alternative and Dependable Bar Shop, Health Alert Shop over here, St. John's, Afe Little George Health Shop, and also Community 5 Tema. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and our phrase 0246 208 496. Yan fast day do my Royal Drinks. I see you go like them. And only a de kama if you Casa Preco Company Limited. Your Royal Cola, Royal Apple, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. We nominate the perfect flavors now here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Open Gangnam Style. 250 pesos respect. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251 or 0272 133 373. Finally, and fast day, Go TV. I said the final stretch of the football league, and I said football season, with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak, is finally here. Nina will be stay connected to a Go TV. What me I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Premier League, and I face Serie A. Stand by your team until the very end. We a footballer, as I say, oh my power cry. Connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis using my Go TV app. And witness the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football season this May. Go TV, love it. I don't want to say, so much when I see my idea, I get to sports every Ugusu 8106.3 FM na some few dedications ewa hane ade fa eno entwim sisi a sha na fe yen toaso na yen ko yen anim. I say kindly wish my kid sister Karen, when you Karen Stalin, happy blissful birthday for me. I pray for more blessings and favor upon her life. Love from Sky and big sister Janet. Na ye free and also they also a shout and call Emma Alex or NHIS away and Coco yet shout and you may. And this one here says, Jerry, greetings to you and your team. Please, my son is celebrating his birthday today. He's 18 years old today. Kindly wish him well for me. His name is Pimpong Kofi Mante of Accra Academy, Form 3. Asantua Mante Pimpong. Away, yes, Sakaman. The less home cook. And I'll do it if he buy. All right, so next up, also said, happy birthday to our mom, Josephine Opoku Minta, formerly of Ghana Meteorological Agency, Tema Port. Mommy, may God give you long life, strength, and then good health as you celebrate your new age. The best is yet to come. We love you very much for everything that you've done for us. From your children, Isina, Ira, Jemima, and then Simon. Happy birthday to you one more time, mommy. Okay. Okay, also please, I would like to thank God for bringing me this far. By His grace, I've graduated as parapsychological counselor from College of Counseling and Psychology. Now a certified counselor. Elder Antizania, friend of Elder Counselor Emmanuel Obeng. All right, so Elder, congrats to you. Name Uncle Swa na onyo kese. Yen traso na yen ko yen enim you're ready. Lydia Dawson. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Juliet Ofori. Juliet tell you about the most. Okay, so happy birthday to Juliet Ofuriata, MPP Women's Organizer for Ayawaso West Wogon. Wishing you God's blessings, long life and prosperity from Frima and your children. And we also say happy birthday to Mr. David Asafwache Ajayi Tegu. We pray for long life and more grace for you from your wife, children, and then in-laws, and then grandchildren as well. And we also say happy birthday to Victoria Ochiopu, Victoria Ochiopu of University of Cape Coast, from your family and friends. Yes, you. I feel we say happy birthday, happy birthday to Joycelyn Irabna Gani of St. Augustine's Foundation School, Tema Manya. You are 12 years old today. From your mother, Ejiwa. Mafu di birthday and papa. Omugusu di birthday count. I say please greetings to Papa Ni. Tell him Samir J, formerly of our Voice Network. We were together with Oja, Amasufa, Zip Bozi, and the rest. Wish him long life and good health and happiness as well. Okay. Samilu, as soon as we buy Samir J. Okay. Na cheze mumpese metro so akomo animo we also say please wish Dr. Baba Folson of Omega Community Church a happy glorious birthday. Do belated. Okay, you that's it. Say also odi buy enti sa ne be no na. Wow, we did when your friend a tall list nankasa pano. Let me try and see what I can do. Or say omo did this week now celebrate your birthday April mois na or say lovely April bonds in 1st April no vasti Okujato or Tishinungwa Estate ne dey belated and 2nd April no so Apostle Francis Edu area head Church of Pentecost on also ne dey and 3rd April no so no Kwejo Rashid Afulabi on also our Graceland Church of Pentecost and then the 3rd April now so say Nita Seto and he said him ne boy dem pa on also our ICGC or Tishi and then this will be no 6th April and Cynthia Araba Japan on also Graceland Church of Pentecost and then 8th April no so Cephas Agbedepe on also principal wa Ada University of Education. 9th April no so Ben ni Adzabu Lamte on also Pukuase and 12th April Clara Edem on also New York City. 14th April no Bella on also so Tishi. 15th April no so Anita on our GCB headquarters. 21st April Helen Lamte on also Pukuase. 28th April Michelle Esinam on also so Chimota School and 28th April Sofo Mame Doris Utu Nyako Tishinungwa and 29th April Jeremiah of Ghana Embassy Algeria. Omuno we show well. Wow. From the Afulabi family. Dedication busy there. We next time Montoya time why that really are they.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry.
One of the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby.
Devastating heartbreak.
He didn't get the goal there.
And historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedriano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Kasian Kaya Wutini D. din ene ho ka na oyam ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omo wanyarewa ne dada na omo nom Dr. Enro no enom imbu saba mesha no a emo mo ahoden pinti ya omo ntimpo se yare ese omo ho imbu saba mesha ewo kanshi ene o maimu babia yeto Enro atufo mfre 0246 208496 FDA ahihye sa adwade nkrato yi magye atomu se ye
Yes. Oh, I say, you're not playing a man for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. The Mazy Cement. Action for pizza in the Mazy. Yeah, I am Chinara Hawaii. Me, funny, no more bomu. Baby, sure, yam no kuno kulogolic. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is the Yarukobe. We am bathroom, Marija, Wunanum Papa Brown Sanawaba. So I constipation, I am Chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, but William so way. Hey, you figure I am Chira. Two homes is so much you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, William Rebogo. You'll find out for now, my child. On time upon a William Algo fine. But be very son. San Jaisu Clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. I'm going to do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors: muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello, Ache. Hey, one miss papa. Semi catcher. Me catcher see a betcha George. Giorgio, quite ya chino. Filica dochi.
Hey, wait, you boy. A den you see.
And see. Now one name Miss Sissy here.
Amma, hello. Hello, Amma. Hello.
Se wopɛ stories a asresem ɔdɔ any drama wɔ mu dia hwɛ Bounce Chronicles Roger channel 118 if you say stories no ɛyɛ dia wɔ Go TV so kɔgye wo Go TV decoder tua 109 Ghana cedis nanya ekukudama ɛwɔ drama telenovelas and sports mu connectify my Go TV app so ana accredited dealer bia bɛn emum ɛhyehyɛ kakra wo Go TV love it.
No matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors: muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hey, Amma. Missy ne, boy be a Michiano. Real deal, package ankasa. Tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with six packs. Handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, baby. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, that. I was eyeing him the whole time. So near Mitchell, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. Oh, we're ready. And Capelli. Hey, oh, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Me dindi akrobato me pema sum bianti ana me dem kodom me bambo life insurance free Holland life enura yi a ana mabushia pani etwa atwo ma yese obianti 1000 Ghana cedis ne yemfa nya opani aye metiye no anwoso me kura me bambo life insurance ebo me cover me e wo bra me pra ana medidem ana se ayi ato me efa eho ka nyina a ebekwa metua 1 Ghana cedi pe eye simple kura
anio 1 Ghana cedi pe 5 cedis
15 CDs and not 30 CDs. Busumi Bia. Bema wanya wasumdue efa eka upra any ye your de bahon. And no one is odo home me buying Bond Life Insurance. A free Hollard Life for *269 hash. Wo Vodafone so na dinia bebanichi. Me say eye koko kra. Wo de about *269 hash. Na fa ho shem wo Vodafone so na nya asumdue wa bra wo ahotoso se. Wo dachi wo buying bomb pa. Me buying bo insurance ya shada yama.
DSTV has millions of stories to inspire you for anything you do in your everyday life. What a lovely romantic day. Now for the best man to say a few words. Over to you, Nee.
I would like to say this to the couple. Girl, I go take you to Tokyo. Girl, I go take you to China. Girl, I go take you to London. I go tell them, say, you're the only one, Ghani. Girl, I go take you to Lagos. Girl, I go take you to Ghana. Girl, I go take you to Tema. I go tell them, say, you're the only one, Ghani.
Clearly, he's been watching Aquaba Magic on DSTV. You too get inspired by great local entertainment like drama, series, music channels, and so much more. Get DSTV today only from 48 Ghana cedis a month because great stories starts on DSTV. Visit www.dstv.ghana.com for more information. DSTV Ghana, it's your moment.
No one can love like a mother. No one can protect them like you do. And now that schools have reopened, it is important to protect our kids from anything that could make them sick. That is why Nido feeds your child with essential nutrients like iron and vitamin C to help strengthen their immunity. Nido, your love, their future. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Do you want that special rice? Special rice. Do you want that special rice? Food Love is special rice. If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
This is Adoma FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
106.3 FM.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Oh, what a rat race. Oh, what a rat race. This is the rat race. Rat race. Rat race. A summer love summer, a summer boss summer, a summer jackson. Oh, what a rat race. Yeah. Rat race. A summer gordon, a summer hooligan, a summer guinea dog. In this year rat race, yeah. Rat race. I'm singing that when the cat's away, the mice will play. Political violence fill your city, yeah. Don't involve Rasta in your say. Rasta don't work for no CIA. Rat race. Rat race. Rat race.
106.3 FM.
I'm saying
Adoma FM. 106.3. Ghana's most authentic radio station. Hey, top.
Collective security for surety, yeah. Don't forget your history. Know your destiny in the abundance of water. The fool is thirsty. Rat race.
That's Bob Marley with Rat Race. Yeah, man. If I try my rent free, says say MTN free after one, each them den. Yeah. Obe kasa, kadioni what there. You pay for only the first minute of your call and the rest is absolutely free. You also get 50 MB of data to browse for free as well. So go on and dial *550# to subscribe to MTN free after one now and stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. See what?
And we still find time to rap. We're making the one stop. The generation gap, so feel this something as it meets within, playing a rhythm, resisting against the system.
This one here says it's one of your grandchildren's birthday today. Joe Samnil. Shall we take Mona Lisa and Neba Enono? Kindly wish him a happy birthday. I understand you are at Adum FM. Message we Papa ni message day. I said no more so and almost say the grandchildren the back who didn't birthday. So happy birthday to you. Cause one come for Royal Drinks and come on, pa. And they will flavors P now bit me I choose from. Say Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, or Royal Cocktail. We know the perfect flavors now here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cities 50 pesos. Shensu say we another quality product from Casa Precon Company Limited. Yeah, no about modia APBH acquiring. Dodo pound of phrase 0262 351 251. And I say 0272 133 373. Now also enjoy. And our special dedication, special shout out going out to you, Nana Ekuya Deborah, all the way in Switzerland. Enjoy this one. Yeah.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. From the very first time I placed my eyes on you, girl, my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feel is fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string. 'Cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait.
No.
in vain for your love.
Yeah, to Chama Vodafone. There's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, that cures diseases, and overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society, so we can discover what's best. Yep. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing